What's up, guys? I know it's been a while, a little bit over a while, way over a while. Oh man, I look like crap. Nah. Still sexy though. Alright, so today I'm gonna be trying something different. I'm actually gonna cook today. So we're actually gonna try to make some biryani. I got some biryani masala, I got some rice and all that good stuff, so let's get started. No, I'm not consistent with my videos, I apologize, but let's try. Maybe I can do better now. Maybe I can stay consistent and keep bringing you guys content that you guys can enjoy, not some boring crap. So let's see if you guys like cooking, or if you guys like different kinds of food, mainly Pakistani food. Let's see. Alright guys, finally cooked. Time for the real test. Alright, this is delicious. This is really good. I'm gonna have to give it to her, man. My wife can cook. Yee.